Hi everyone, Nancy Allen here from YourEnergyRx.com with your quantum healing code for August 2019. This month's code is about increasing your personal power. So, what do I mean when I say personal power? Well, I like to think of personal power as being intentional in defining where you want to go with your life, confident in clearly seeing what needs to be done along your path, and fearless in following that path. If we have doubts or hesitations in any of these three areas, then we have blocks. And this month's code is intended to clear the blocks, to clarify your path and instill bravery in following that path. So here's the question. Is there an assisting frequency for highest good that will release the blocks to our personal power, clarify our path, and rewire us to be brave in following our path to that place of increased personal power? And two codes emerged from the energy balancing by numbers system. The first is the category of, wait for it, Parkinson's disease. And the code is to stop brain cell die-off. Now, remember, don't get freaked out here. Pulling a code for a specific disease does not mean you have or will get that disease. The codes pulled simply possess characteristics of a particular thing that will assist us in balancing something else. So the second energy balancing by numbers code comes from the master numbers category, and it is dopamine decrease. It's so weird how this second code is aligned directly with the first code. Who knew? So what do the Parkinson's category and decreasing dopamine have to do with increasing our personal power? Well, they both relate to rebalancing our dopamine levels and maintaining balance in the brain. When our brain is out of balance, we can get scattered, depressed, anxious, have sleepless nights, develop eating and drug disorders, and have a general sense of low self-esteem and lack of confidence in our decisions. The energy of these codes is just what's needed to assist us in reclaiming and increasing our personal power. So let's go ahead and install these codes. First of all, I'd like you to take a comfortable seat. Close your eyes. And if you know how to ground, go ahead and ground. If you don't know how to ground, you can put your attention on the base of your spine, down at your tailbone, and create a rope, wire, cable, cord, waterfall, and drop the other end of that to the center of the earth. So one end's going to be connected to the base of your spine, the other end is connected securely into the center of the planet, because the planet helps us suck away the energy that we no longer need or that's not ours. So go ahead and ground yourself however you like to ground. So I'd like you to go to the base of your spine, if that's where you're grounding from, and create a switch that says release. And flip that switch to the on position. And program that switch simply by commanding it to release everything from your space that is not yours or that no longer serves you. Release all the energy from your space that is not yours and no longer serves you. And breathe. And then I'd like you to come up to the center of your head. That's the space behind your eyes and between your ears. This is a place where we can see clearly from. And create a space in there that is your safe space. That is a place where you can clearly see what's going on, clearly perceive what's going on. Even if you're an empath, you can see from the center of your head, which will help tone down any kind of frantic empathness that you experience. So be in the center of your head. And for this one, for these codes, I'm going to also have you put your attention on your crown chakra. That's the top of your head. And picture your crown chakra being at gold. Crown chakra at gold. Like a gold dish or a gold flat disc. On the top of your head, bright, shimmering, explosive gold. We call this coming up to gold. And what this does is this helps us raise our frequency and be able to connect better with the energies of universal life force energy. And breathe. And now we have a little position that we assume to help our body get involved in this installation process. Right-handers and left-handers, your process is switched because your polarity is different. So for right-handers, right hand on your heart chakra, left hand in the air like an antenna. For left-handers, switch it. Left hand on your heart chakra, right hand is your antenna. So right-handers, left-handers, assume your position for this installation. And as we bring through this code, I would like you to picture the code coming into your antenna hand, flowing through your receiving arm and into your delivery hand, into your heart chakra. Because these codes are coming in with the highest energy. Okay? There's no other charge other than universal life force love energy on them. Here we go. We ask for, accept, and align with this EBN code. It's with gratitude we accept the assisting frequency for stopping cell die-off. 687-652-467-896-5751. 687-652-467-896-5751. 687-652-467-896-5751. 687-652-467-896-5751. 687-652-467-896-5751. 687-652-467-896-5751. One more. 687-652-467-896-5751. And close up the installation by putting both hands on your heart chakra. And be grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And it is so. Ooh, that was a good one. Okay, so now let's go ahead and install the master number for dopamine decrease. Be sure you're still grounded. And double check that you're still in the center of your head. Breathe. And assume the position for right-handers and left-handers. And here we go. We ask for, accept, and align with the CBN code. It's with gratitude we accept the assisting frequency for the master number dopamine decrease. 728-869-49657. 728-869-49657. 728-869-49657. 728-869-49657. 728-869-49657. 728-869-49657. One more. 728-869-49657. And both hands on your heart chakra. Close up the installation. And be grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And it is so. Wow. Whew. Okay. When you guys are installing these codes, here's a little tip for you. If you find you're stumbling over the code as you're reciting it, that means you've got blocks there. If you're installing the code, reciting it, and it goes in really, really smoothly, then that code is pretty much in balance for you. Now, that doesn't mean it's going to stay in balance. That just means that at this particular moment in time, it's in pretty good shape. Come back, revisit it, and see if it shifts on the way it wants to be installed into your space. Because as the code comes into your antenna hand, it'll run into blocks, stumbling blocks, which then translate into the way your fifth chakra, the one you're voicing the code through, it translates into a block and gives you a signal, a physical signal that that code is a relevant one for you. So typically we recite the code 7 times to get it activated in our space. But if you find that you're stumbling, then go ahead and recite it more. Keep repeating it over and over and over until it becomes smooth and you don't trip over any of the numbers. So the thing I'd like you to remember about these codes is that they only rebalance what's out of balance that's already in our space. Our body and our energetic systems already know how to keep our bodies in balance because of conscious or unconscious blocks, daily programming, or even DNA damage. We can get thrown out of whack. So as I said before, the codes are not adding something new. They're just aligning with your set of the codes to release, rebalance, reactivate, and replenish the energies already in place. To learn more about how the codes work, just check out my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Instagram at TalkToDeadGuy. And I invite you to go to YourEnergyRx.com to grab your free Energy Tools bundle, the Simple Tools Mind Map. And this month I'm launching CodeAlchemy Weekly right here on YouTube. It's weekly codes with assisted installs, and all it takes is about a minute. So please subscribe. And in the Code Carrier's Closet, you can find workshops, courses, be activated by angels, or book a live personal code session to address your specific concerns or desires. And this is where we work together to find your specific code recipes. And while you're there, why not pick up a CodeAlchemy wristband? It carries the 77889903 brain stabilization code, and this code is utter magic. When you wear this wristband, it's like mainlining the code. The results have been amazing. And one more thing, if you're not already a member, think about joining my Quantum Healing Code Carriers Facebook members group, where you'll have exclusive access to freebies, huge product discounts, and weekly codes. So that's it for now. I'm Nancy. Enjoy this month's code, and remember, there's a code for that. See ya. Bye.